Muslim faithful in the country joined the rest of the world in marking Eid Ul Adha, also known as the festival of sacrifice, to mark Prophet Ibrahim's obedience to Allah when he was asked to sacrifice his son.
Well, President Kenyatta in his message urged Muslims to continue praying for peace in the country and remember the less fortunate in the society. Hassan Mugambi reports.
Sunday morning and Muslims in the country converged in different grounds to mark Eid Ul Adha, also known as Eid Ul Hajj. It marks the end of Hajj pilgrimage, where Muslims gather at the holy mosque in Mecca for prayers. The festivity, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, is marked with the encouragement of Muslims to slaughter animals of choice and share meat with friends, family and neighbors, both fortunate and the less fortunate in the society.
Usisahau walioko chini, usisahau walioko barabarani, usisahau wale ambao wameondokewa na wazazi wao, usiwasahau wale ambao wamefiliwa na waume zao, usisahau wale watu wenye mikasa mbali duniani.
In Eldoret, Muslim leaders encouraged the faithful to familiarize themselves with the constitutional changes proposed to make sound decision should the country go into a referendum.
Kwanza tutazame tuangalie katiba rabalisha tunaunga makono, lakini kabla bado bitishwa tuone hiyo katiba iko namna gani, lakini sio tu katiba rabalisha sisi bado ona macho yetu tunafunga.
In Mombasa, religious leaders asked the community to work closely with authorities in maintaining security.
Wamekuwa wakishambulia watu kwa visu na mapanga kwa njia ambayo kwamba zinastahili kabisa. Tushirikiane sote, Waislamu na wasiokuwa Waislamu, walinda usalama na wananchi, kuhakikisha vitendo vya uhalifu vya uhaini vinavyofanywa vya kuweza kushambulia wananchi bila makosa yote, hivi vitendo vipungue.
The festivity comes as a culmination of the Hajj pilgrimage, where Muslims around the world converge at the Islamic holy city of Mecca for Hajj pilgrimage, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Muslims are required to slaughter an animal, symbolizing remembrance of Prophet Ibrahim's obedience to Allah when he was asked to sacrifice his son as a test of obedience. As Muslims across the country mark Eid Ul Hajj celebrations, remembering the less fortunate in the society, we here at Royal Media Services wish you Eid Mubarak. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.